Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 Host Assessment Investment. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. So, step number one is start the Excel download and open the file name Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 whose assessment investment. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. Step number 1 is complete. So the next step is step number 2. Create a table name transition. Copy the transition table name. Go to the Excel worksheet and insert tab and select the table. Click OK. Create a table. Click OK. And transition table name. Table name is transition. Press enter. Based on the data in the range A4 to E248 248. The 248. Create a table design 248 if E248. Step number 2 is a complete. So the next step is step number 3. Freeze the first row containing column heading. Go to the Excel worksheet. Freeze the first row. Column heading. Contain a column heading in the freeze the first row. Column heading and go to the view tab. Freeze the pane. Freeze the pane. Column heading. So the column heading is the freeze the pane. Step number 3 is complete. So the next step is step number 4. Apply the white table style medium 4. Table style is medium 4. Go to the table design and table style. Select the table style medium 4. White table style medium 4. White table style medium 4. White table style medium 4 is selected. Click OK. And step number 4 is complete. So the next step is step number 5. Add a new column name in the percentage changes. Copy the column name. Add a new column. Click F4 and enter percentage change. Step number 5 is complete. So the next step is step number 6. Step number 6 is enter a formula in the percentage change column using the unqualified structure reference to calculate the percentage change between the commodity purchase price and the current price purchase price divided by current price. Go to the F5 cell, type is equal to purchase price divided by current price. Price divided by the current price. Purchase price divided by current price. Click press enter button. Step number 6 is complete. So the next step is step number 7. Apply the percentage number format to the range F5 to F248. Copy the range, paste the value, press enter, select the range. Percentage, apply the percentage number format. Percentage and the percentage number format. Click OK. Step number 7 is complete. So the next step is step number 8. Add a total row to the percentage change column. Go to the table design and select the total row, percentage column, percentage change a column, and set the total to display the average of percentage change column. Select the total row, this value, and set the total display the average of percentage change column. Display the average. Display the average. And step number 8 is complete. So the next step is step number 9. Apply a solid blue data bar formatting to the percentage change column. Select the percentage change column. Percentage change column is selected. And apply the solid blue data bar formatting. Solid blue data bar. Apply the solid blue data bar.